Welcome to SimaSWay Cooking. Today we're going to prepare red mullet in the air fryer in less than 15 minutes. First, we cut the fish on both sides. Then we add some lemon juice and we rub it well, including the belly. Then we add the following spices, 1 teaspoon on each side. So 1 teaspoon of black pepper on the front and the back. Then 1 teaspoon of vegetable mix seasoning. This is a mixture of vegetables. You can use any seasoning that you like with the fish. Then 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of paprika. With 1 tablespoon of olive oil, back and forth. We rub it well. And then we put it in the air fryer. We air fry it at 375 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Look how pretty this fish looks. And it's super easy to prepare. Within less than 15 minutes you can serve it as well. And look how moist it is. It's very juicy, very flavorful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.